Kodiak KUB 2.0 rechargeable tactical flashlight packs serious performance into a compact, substantial design while still offering the essential qualities that you would want from a portable light source. Let's take a closer look. Inside the package, you'll find the Kodiak KUB 2.0 rechargeable tactical flashlight, along with its magnetic USB charging cable. Before using the KUB 2.0 for the first time, it's recommended to fully charge the battery to ensure maximum runtime and performance. While glowing blue to indicate charging, attach the magnetic cable to the magnetic receiver. While charging, the indicator light glows solid red and changes to solid green once charging is complete. A full charge takes approximately 3 hours. Built from aerospace-grade aluminum, the KUB 2.0 delivers a rugged, tactical design while also coming off sleek and easy to grip. Weighing 1/5 pound, it's impact-resistant up to 1 meter and carries an IPX4 weather-resistant rating to help protect against rain and splashing water. The integrated metal pocket clip keeps it secure to any surface or pocket that you choose to attach to, and an integrated magnet built into the base allows the flashlight to attach to metal surfaces for convenient, hands-free lighting whenever you need it. Operation is simple with a single button interface. The button, being equipped with a lockout mode, must be pressed twice to unlock the flashlight into high mode. At any time, hold the button to activate turbo mode, delivering the flashlight's full 2000 lumen output with a reach of over 230 meters. After 30 seconds, the KUB 2.0 conveniently returns to the lighting mode you were previously using. High to low slowly scales down the lumen count from 1000 to 50 while dramatically increasing runtime exponentially. After cycling through the modes and landing on off, the button blinks twice to indicate the lockout mode has been re-engaged.